good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this video from. Kindly note that this is Sichamba Jacob right here. So I want to do a few questions with you. I want to revise a few questions with you. If you've just joined, don't please forget to like, comment, and share. All right, so we'll start with this question where we are supposed to find, or where we need to find speed and also to find the value of x right here. So let me just wait for people to join. We just wait a bit for people to join and then we see what we can do. Let me just wait a bit for people to join. Kindly share the video so that people can join. Share, copy the link, post it on your Facebook page. If you're on Facebook, yes. So how do we find the speed? Okay, let me just start. If you just joined, kindly like the video so that I can see that you're watching, you're following. Kindly like the video. Okay, so thank you so much. I think somebody has liked my video. So let me start. Okay, so we've got points. This is A, B, and C. We have 25 degrees west, X, south, north, 0 degrees right here. Okay, the first question here reads, a plane is flying a distance over 4,500 nautical miles. Okay, nautical miles. Okay, so this is the distance that the plane is flying from town A to B. Okay, and it takes 5 hours. So takes 5 hours. So from A to B, it takes 5 hours for a plane to fly, and the distance is 4,450. Okay, so find the speed of the plane in knots. So they want us to find the speed. The plane was was flying from point A to point B, okay? And we want to find the speed. We know the formula of finding speed is equal to distance over time, okay? So what is our distance? We are given the distance in the question, which is 4,500. Over the time, we have 5 hours, okay? So now, mind you, we're not supposed to use a calculator for this paper. You're not supposed to use the calculator. You need to solve using your head, okay? So here you can say how many times 5 goes into 5. It's 1. Into 45, it's 9. So we have 900 knots. So this is the distance. So the distance covered by the plane from the speed covered by the plane was moving at from point A to point B is 900 knots. So that's it. So since we found that, we can now try to do the next question. The next question reads, if town C over here is 5 hours ahead of town A, find the longitude marked X. So we need to find this longitude over here, okay? So how do we find this longitude right here? Very simple. When I've been given a question like this, what you need to do here is to identify, okay? You identify the numbers, the longitude, which is here at A, and the other, the value that if you've been given a value or a letter which is at X. So now you get this, you get 25 degrees, okay, is equal to, oh, not really is equal to, you say plus X is equal to 5 times 15. So this is what you do. So where did I get this 15? 15 uh, came from the formula for finding time difference, okay? Which is time difference is equal to theta over 15. So you just get 15, write it here, and this 5 is coming from what you've been given. They said from point A, okay? From point A to point C, going like from here going this way, the time difference here is 5 hours. So this is where the 5 is coming from. We've been given the question. So you just multiply, you just work out this side, and then the other side you multiply, you get 75, and then you group the like terms. This is this is 75 minus 25, which is giving us 50 degrees. So this is how you answer this question. Okay, so any question on this one? If there is no question, we go to the next question. Okay, so the next question will just be on, I think calculus. Calculus will be okay. So let's do this. Let's try to integrate this one. I know quite a number of people have complained about calculus, but calculus is not as difficult as you may be thinking. It's not very difficult. So you can give it a try. Let me give you seconds. You give it a try. Try to work out that one and see what you're getting. What answer are you getting? Okay. What answer are you getting? All right. So for this one, what you normally do is you just copy and here use the laws of indices. Okay. So make this one, actually this is plus, plus, here is plus. So it will look like this. This one, the denominator goes on top. It becomes the numerator. So the power, it's power 2. Laws of indices, it will be negative power 2. So now you're ready to integrate. You add a 1 and divide, just like that. So to every power where there is x, add a 1. Even here there's power 1, so add a 1, just like that. Here we have something like this. You divide. So whatever you're getting on top here must be divided. Here, divide, just like that. Thereafter, you now work out things. So we have power 5 there. Here it's divided by 5. Here it's power 2 divided by 2, because when you say 1 plus 1, it's 2. There, it will be power negative 1. Here, over negative 1. So this 5 into 10, it's 2. So I have 2x power 5. Here 2 into 4, negative 4, it's negative 2. So this is what we're getting. Here it will be positive because this negative and negative, it will be positive. So we have positive 3 power negative 1 plus c. If you want, you can leave your answer right here. And if you feel like in mathematics, it's not okay leaving your answer with a negative power. So you can do this. Laws of indices, power negative 1, it goes down like that. So this is our answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let me just share with you a little bit of some topics that you need to study. Those who will be writing their GCE, let me see if I can find them. Okay, so the first topic that you need to work on is speed time graph. You find that all the question papers at the end, there is a question from this topic. Speed time graph. Okay. let me say topic to study in paper one. Paper one. So speed time graph. This has got about 5 marks, and the question does not miss about this. So you need to know on how to find acceleration. You need to know how to find deceleration. You need to know how to find the speed. You need to know how to find the distance. So this is one of the things that you must know. The other thing is the quadratic functions. You need to know the quadratic functions, okay? So these quadratic functions, that's where you find that they've given you something, maybe a graph like this. They want you to find the turning point, the x-intercept, things like that, okay? So this, just like this, they want you to find the turning point, maybe, and the intercepts. Also, maybe they may just give you the points and they ask you to graph. So this is what you need to know on quadratic function. The other thing that you need to know is linear programming. Remember, we are talking about paper one. So linear programming, you must know linear programming. How to, mostly in paper one, they'll just give you, they'll graph for you. Maybe they have graphs for you, and then they have shaded this side, and maybe here, just like that. And then they ask you to identify or to write the inequalities. So you need to know that. The other thing is functions. So all these topics I'm putting here, they don't miss in paper one. Functions. The other thing is calculus. So on calculus, if you guys will be writing GCE, on calculus, you need to be very careful. I've seen quite a number of people studying wrong things. Okay. The way ECZ is done on calculus, and the way additional mathematics, let me just say the way ordinary mathematics is done and the way additional mathematics is done is different. So if you're not very careful, you might be studying something that is found in additional mathematics, not in ordinary mathematics. So you have to be very careful on this one, because calculus, ordinary mathematics is just about integrating. They won't ask you to use maybe chain rule or what. It's rare that they'll ask you to use chain rule or to use by part method, all those methods in terms of integrating. It's very rare that they'll ask you that. But in additional mathematics, that's where you find all those things. So you have to be very careful on this part, okay? You also need to know variation. You need to know variation. Questions don't miss. You need to know circle theorem. You need to know matrices. You need to know AP. I'll just say AP. This is arithmetic progression, AP. The way it is with sequence, AP comes in paper one, and then GP in paper two. So we're discussing questions that topics that come in paper one, okay? You also need to know sorry, I hope it's not Adima. Yeah, it's not. So okay, thank you so much. You need to know algebra. You need to know algebra. You need to know vectors. You also need to know sets. Yeah, you need to know sets. And lastly, you need to know geometry. Geometry. All right, so if you just get to know these topics I've listed here, I'm telling you, paper one will be easier for you. I'm telling you, it will be easier for you. Just know these 13 topics, okay? There are quite a number of topics that are in mathematics paper 1, but the key topics that do not miss, okay, that do not miss, are the ones I've just listed for you. So make sure you go through these, and in case you are facing a challenge, you don't know on how to go about them, you can just be doing this. You write my name, okay, on YouTube, you search my name, Jacob Sichamba, okay, Jacob Sichamba, and then you put the topic. So for example, Jacob Sichamba, speed time graph. So videos on speed time graph will come, the videos that I've done on speed time graph, they will come, and you can learn one or two things from there. So you have to give yourself a task. For example, this week, you just say, okay, I'll deal with speed time graph. I'll deal with speed time graph. So when you do that, when you think you're comfortable with speed time graph, now go to quadratic functions. When you're done with quadratic function, go to linear programming. The problem that I've come to discover in a lot of people that are writing exams is that they try to study everything at once. You get confused. That's not how you do with mathematics. Give yourself time, okay? You just say, okay, maybe this week I'll just deal with speed time graph until it becomes part of you. That's when you go to the next topic, just like that. So if you get these topics, all the 13 topics I've put here, I'm telling you, you won't face challenges in paper 1, okay? Paper 1 mathematics. And I've seen some people requesting I show them paper 2. Okay, just be on the lookout. I'll maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I might put up a video on paper 2 topics that you need to know. Okay. And in case you think it's not easy for you to do or to start on your own and you need help, you can still get in touch with me. I'm there for you. My hope is to see that you pass your exams. That's my wish. So you can just get in touch with me. My number is just there. You just search it. It's there on YouTube. Unless if you say you need it, I give it to you again, I will do so. But you just search it. You just search any of the video. Most of the videos I've done, I put my number there. It's 0969 175701. Let me just write it here for the sake of those who will be watching this video for the first time. 0969 175701. So, okay. So here I normally don't pick calls if you call me unless you WhatsApp me. Okay? So you just WhatsApp. When you WhatsApp, I will respond back to you. So that's it. All right. So to the people who are watching now, let me just put up a question for you. If you have a paper where to write, I want to put up a very simple question for you so that you guys can answer. Whoever answers will join my online class, my online tuitions just for free for a month. So if you're ready, you want to join, this will just be for 2 minutes. This question will just be for 2 minutes. I'll just give you the 2 minutes, and then you just comment the answer. The question will be very simple one. You just comment the answer. I'll definitely add you to the class just for free so that you can see how we learn, how we teach. And to those who are wondering that how do we teach using we use WhatsApp actually. How do we teach? We use voice notes, pictures, and videos. It's very helpful. If you join my class, you won't regret. Okay, so the question looks like this. X power 4, okay, is equal to did I write? Okay, sorry. X power 2 is equal to 4. Find the value of x. Okay, so That's it. So just comment the solution, and then I'll add you to the class for free. So comment the solution. Time has started counting. Time is ticking. So let's go at this is 20 Central African time. This is 20 o'clock. So at 20:02 we stop. Let's go. So give me the solution for this one. Give me the solution for this one. You joined my online class for free. I don't want you to show the method. Just comment the answer, the final answer. If there are 4 solutions, give them to me. If there are 2 solutions, give them to me. If it's only one, give it to me. Okay, Abigail, you're saying x is equals to 2. Another person, let's go. It's Christine. That's Andrew. Let's go. It's for 2 minutes. Okay. I only stop when I see somebody getting the answer, giving me the correct answer. That's when I'll stop. Let's go. 1 more minute. Let's go. 2 people so far have x is equals to 2 Obed. Let's go. Another person. Let's go. We are remaining with a minute. Let's go. What answer are you getting? So I only say if somebody comments the correct answer, I'll cut it before the time is up. So let's go. You guys, you've tried. Those who've commented their solutions, you've tried. But I think you've not finished. There is something that is missing. X is equals to 2. William Banda. Okay, let's go. Everybody's doing 2. Let's go. Any other solution apart from 2? X is equals to 2 or x is equals to -2. Thank you. That's the solution from Francisco Zulu. So Francisco Zulu, okay, let me give chance to Abigail, 2 of them, just Abigail and Francisco Zulu. You guys can WhatsApp me right now so that I add you to the class. This is the number you need to WhatsApp me on. So the solution here was x is equals to -2 or x is equals to 2. That's all. So to those who are finding x is equals to 2, I'm not giving you that chance because you didn't finish. It's -2 or 2 or +2. So let me show you how it works. Here, you just, this power here, you just apply the square root to both sides. So since this is an equation, okay, since this is an equation, we are supposed to get 2 solutions because power 2 here, meaning you get 2 solutions from the root. So it will be positive or -2. So x is equals to -2 or x is equals to 2. These are the 2 solutions. Thank you so much and bye-bye.